ibis. That's the sacred or Egyptian ibis. And that was, thought about that. So, Egyptian mythology, Egyptian gods are gods of the heads of animals and birds. So, one of them is spelled T-H-O-T-H, God that has a human body that has a These are called demoiselle cranes. This is the bird that has the migration over the Himalayas. Leave the northern part of the world, which is Russia, Mongolia, Northeast Asia. They fly over the Himalayas. Yeah, oh yeah.
Does this bird fly?
Everything in here flies, but you don't have to worry about them flying, and you don't have to worry about them migrating. Birds only migrate for one of two reasons. So they get that there are white seashells or African Alright, we're going to head down this way, guys. Just the word jumble was one or 2 months from it. I told you I had to laugh. So it's called a white
Okay, I was
That's
kidding.
all. The duck face, they already have the duck face. They're already a duck.
Right.
But,
Where's the people you're talking about?
So,
Right here.
so it's over there and it was kind of in view and now it's out of view and facing farming. Up that rock there, behind there is duck with the white faces. It's white. All right.